Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see another scholarship sponsored by Government of India, and this is the scholarship will be there for disability students. And the name NSP scholarships for top class education for the student with the disabilities for the year 2021 and year 2022. The NSP scholarship for the top class education for the students with a disability 2021 and 2022 who are pursuing the studies at graduate or postgraduate level or diploma level. For graduate, postgraduate and diploma level, if the disability students are studying, then this is the NSP scholarship is there for these particular scholarship for the disability students. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India, and it is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. And this particular NSP scholarship have been got it from the Buddy for Study scholarship portal. So the government of India has tied with Buddy for Study scholarship as a partner for this particular scholarship. So those who want to apply for this scholarship, they have to go and make an account on Buddy for Study scholarship, and from there they have to apply for this particular scholarship. Now see the important dates for this particular scholarship. The scholarship closing date is 30th November 2021. Last date for defect verification is 15 December 2021. And the last date for institute verification is 15 December 2021. And for the students, it is 30th November 2021. Now first we'll see the program of the NSP scholarship for top class education for students with a disability. The NSP scholarship for top class education for students with disabilities 2021 and 2022 is an initiative to promote quality education among the students who are pursuing studies at graduate, postgraduate or diploma level. The key objective of the scholarship is to recognize and promote the education among the students with the disabilities by providing them with full financial support. That is the very important one. Now what are the eligibilities there for this scholarship? To be eligible, an applicant must be pursuing the studies at graduate, postgraduate or diploma level in noted institutes of excellence in education. They have mentioned now noted institutes. They have to check it out on this scholarship portal or the government of India's portal. What are the noted institutions are there? Have more than 40% disability and a valid certificate for the same. Have an annual family income less than 6 lakh rupees and benefit. A total of 300 scholarships are given under this scholarship, and the selected candidates will receive the following benefits: reimbursement of tuition fees and non-refundable charges payable to the institute up to rupees 2 lakh per annum and subject to actual amount. Reimbursement of expenses for the purchase of a computer with the accessories Indian rupees 30,000 one-time grant. Reimbursement expenses for purchase of aids and assistive devices rupees 30,000 one-time grant. Maintenance allowance for hostel rider rupees 3,000 per month. Maintenance allowance for day scholar rupees 1,500 per month. Book grant hostel rider as well as day scholars rupees 5,000 per annum, and special allowances rupees 2,000 per month. See, various allowances have been given for in this particular scholarship. Documents, photograph of the applicants, certificate of previous academic mark sheet, fee receipt of the current course year, age proof certificate, income certificate of the family, bank account detail, disability certificate, and how you have to apply for this scholarship. Eligible candidates can apply for this scholarship through www.buddyforstudyscholarship.com, buddyforstudy.com. And now on this scholarship portal, if you go to the directly NSB scholarship for top class education for students with disabilities, then there is a button is there, apply now. You can click the apply button, and those who are the newcomers are there, they have to make an account on this channel with the help of the Google or what we have, the Facebook account or mobile. You have to make the account. The eligible candidate can apply the scholarship through a following step. Read carefully and select the undertaking as well as continue each step. Eligible candidate can apply the scholarship through the following steps. Select the state of domicile, scholarship category, scholarship for top education for students with the disabilities, scheme type, scholarship scheme, gender, write the application name, date of birth, mobile number, and email IDs. Then provide the bank details, bank name, IFSC code, bank account, select the Aadhaar card or bank account number as identification detail and click the registration button. Then the mobile number will verified and OTP will generated, and now log in to the OTP and fill the form. An application ID and password will be generated. Use that password and your ID for the future correspondence. And very important one, note all the applicants are advised to fill the form correctly. No changes can be made once submitted. The applications are also advised to fill in only one application, as a multiple application will directly cancel the form. So don't make that mistake. For only one time you have to apply this particular scholarship. The scholarship can be given up to a maximum of 2 children of the same family, admissible if the second child is a twin. That is, again, they have been specified the category. Scholarship for studying in any class will be given only 1 year. On repeating the class, scholarship will be withdrawn. So this scholarship, graduation, post-graduation, or diploma, you're doing all that for a year, you will get the scholarship. Until and unless you clear the exam. If you fail, you are not going to get the scholarship. The scholarship will be withdrawn back. Terms and condition, 50% of the total scholarship will be reserved for the girl candidates. And how you to contact Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Government of India. Phone number for contact 0120 If you have any problem, you can directly write a mail to the desk, help desk-nsp at gov.in. I hope with this particular intention to make awareness among the students, and especially for the disabilities, those disability students who are match this whatever the eligibility criteria is there, they can apply for this scholarship. But see that, go to the portal of Government of India and check it out which colleges are given in the list, and if you have been fitting into that college, then you can apply for this scholarship. I hope this is my initiative as the social responsibility as a teacher, and I'm making this video for the awareness. I hope you also make the create the awareness among the students, especially the disability. Thank you. Have a nice day.